I'm scared.
Perhaps a demented motorist is trying to kill Bender, but how many innocent people must die before it gets him?
Not enough!
Well, it's late. I guess I'll go listen to that homeless guy in the Port Authority. He makes some good points.
Okay, good night. I'm gonna go make my dinners for the next 30 nights and freeze them.
To my loyal butler, you there, for his decades of service, I leave a pittance, to be paid in 20 equal installments of 1/20th of a pittance each.
110 years with that tyrant, and this is the thanks I get. Every day, buff my ass, buff my ass. Oh, how I love buffing that man's ass!